Welcome back to 924 Sass Crescent. We have made a ton of progress. We're realizing how huge of a project this is, but there's lots of work that's happened since we've seen you last, so let me walk you through. So trying to preserve the old features of this house is a huge priority for us. So we really put a lot of time and effort into getting these ceilings right. So basically we had Centennial guys sanding for more than a week. We're gonna stick with this for now. It looks amazing. The drywallers have been hard at work hanging board, and now they're starting to tape in mud. You can really start seeing the way that the rooms are coming together. The kitchen here, it's this big, open, wide, bright space. It's really cool. So I'm standing in what's gonna be kind of a secret room at the end, and we've got a door coming in that has flush hinges. So it gets installed right at the front. It's gonna have cabinet material over top of it, and it basically is gonna blend right into the cabinetry. And then when you open this door, you'll get to come into this secret room in the back. Now that it's boarded, you can really feel the size of this place. It's actually huge. Walking into the butler pantry, there's this really big, nice space. That's gonna come to life. It'll be a great cleanup area and food storage area. We've got our mud room over to this side on our way out, and there's really a ton of room for lockers, storage, all that stuff. So I'm standing here in the office. This is really one of the special places in this house. It's full of light and the view is incredible. I've got the Bessborough in front of me, the University Bridge beside me, and just an incredible place to work. So you can really feel the light coming through into the basement. There's big windows in the front. We've got the old fireplace that we're gonna keep the cinder block and make it look really cool with some wine racking on it. Even the bulkhead that we made down here really feels that 1955 era. It's gonna be a great games room. It's a good thing we made this mechanical room bigger, because we got a lot of equipment in here. We have our wall hung boiler. We've got our indirect water heater. We've got a furnace down here. We've got an air handler down here. They'll all be connected to some heat pumps. That'll do heating in an efficient way and also air conditioning. And our boiler also has an in-floor system in the garage and the driveway to do a snow melt system. So I'll take you over there to check it out. So I'm standing here in the attached garage, and we're getting ready to pour the floor. In the floor, we've got insulation and we've got in-floor heat lines all throughout the garage. And it actually comes out into the driveway as well. So that's our snow melt system. So there's a sensor that will sense snow, and when it does, it'll open a zone valve to get some heat into the driveway, and that will melt the snow. Well, thanks for joining us on the tour. We got lots going on here. Can't wait to show you more.
Centennial, love the home you're in.